Hello WDWNT viewers. Today we've got a quick tutorial on how to use the new Park Pass reservation system for booking park reservations. You're going to go to the Disney World homepage, and then on the My Disney Experience tab, choose this Disney Park Pass system link, which is new. It's going to bring you to a little splash page, which has an option to make a Disney park reservation. You may get into a little queue that has a timer here. Nothing to really do about that other than wait. Eventually it'll get down to 0. We're going to skip ahead so we can get to that portion of the process. Now once that does finally load, you're going to be asked to log in if you aren't logged in already. It's going to show your available friends and family who are linked. You can book for those people or for just yourself. Here I'm doing just for myself. We're going to go over to July. Since there's nothing in June, pick a date. It's going to show you the available parks. Here we're choosing Animal Kingdom. It's going to give you that little time window. Currently there's only one option. We don't really know when or if that's going to change to multiple options throughout the day. Then you're going to agree to the terms and conditions and COVID-19 liability waiver. And then confirm the reservation. At the point you're going to get a confirmation page. Doesn't have a whole lot, but it does have an option to make another park pass. Presumably you're going to want to make multiple at one time and not just a single day. So that's pretty easy to get to. Once you're ready to make another reservation, it's going to take you back to that same create a party page. You're going to select your party members and then the date that you want. You do have to make one date at a time, so you're going to be going through this process several times. Pick your park, select your window, agree to the terms and conditions, and then confirm the reservation. You're going to get that same confirmation page and the option to make another pass. Then, of course, once we start looking at the dates like the 15th and on, when all the parks are open, all of those parks are going to be available to you as expected. Now, let's say you made a mistake or plans changed and you need to modify your Park Pass reservation. What you're going to need to do is go into the My Plans section of My Disney Experience, and there's going to be a reservation details button next to your Park Pass reservation on a given day. What you're going to see is you may hit the timer again. That should go away pretty quickly. It's going to load up your reservation, and you're going to have a cancel this Park Pass option. What you will notice here is there's no modify option, only cancel. So currently you have to cancel a Park Pass reservation before making a new one with one of them on a date or annual pass holder slot. So be very cautious when making your initial reservations to get those dates and parks correct. If you click that, it's going to let you select who you want to cancel for, can continue. Doesn't really give you a confirmation page, but just brings you back to the create a party page. And then you can continue to search for a new reservation on a different date. And that's all there is to booking Park Pass reservations on My Disney Experience.